Today we will be learning how to graph quadratic equations from root form. The first step is to find the x-intercepts. In order to find the x-intercepts, you must set each of the equations equal to 0. So for example, in the equation x minus 3 times x plus 2, you must set x minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Once you have subtracted them, you get x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. These are your x-intercepts. So once you have found these, you must plot them on the graph. Secondly, you must convert the equation to standard form. In order to find the rest of the points, you must convert the equation to standard form. In order to convert the equation to standard form, you must FOIL. These are the steps to foiling. First, you must multiply the x's. So x times x equals x squared. Then you must multiply an x by a constant. So x times 2 equals 2x. Then you must multiply the other x by the constant, which negative 3 times x equals negative 3x. Finally, you must multiply the constants. Negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. So now you must combine like terms, and you get x squared minus x minus 6. In this equation, the constant is the y-intercept. Next, you must find the vertex. In order to find the vertex, you must do two equations. Negative b over 2a helps you find the x-coordinate of the vertex, and f of x equals negative b over 2a helps you find the y-coordinate for the vertex. So in this equation, b is equal to negative 1 and a is equal to 1. So in order to find the x-coordinate, you would divide 1 by 2. You would get, in this case, you will get 0.5 or half. Then you must plug in 0.5 in for x in order to get your y-coordinate. Here the answer is negative 6.25. So the vertex is 0.5, negative 6.25. There it is on the graph. Finally, you must plot the rest of the points. After you have completed all these steps, all you have to do is plot the rest of the points and connect the dots. This is what the full graph looks like. This is our second example. X plus 5 times x plus 5. In order to graph x plus 5 times x plus 5, you must do the same steps. Find the x-intercepts. In this case, since there's only one intercept, negative 5, 0, this is also the vertex. Then you must FOIL the equation. After foiling, you should get x squared plus 10x plus 25. Lastly, you must find the remaining points and plot them on the graph. This is your graph after doing all those three steps. So in order to do this equation, you must complete the steps in the first example. X plus 3 times x plus 5. First, you must find the x-intercepts. Then you must FOIL. After that, you must find the vertex point, and after all that, you finally plot all the other points and connect them. Here, the x-intercepts are negative 3 and negative 5. After foiling, the standard form is x squared plus 8x plus 15. After that, after finding the vertex is negative 4, negative 1. This is what the graph looks like after it's been plotted.